From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. We have an atmospheric river that's on the way for early on Friday through early on Tuesday. So here is what that's going to look like in terms of precip chances. Rain looking likely in the Yakima Valley for Friday through Sunday, and then definitely a lot drier for Monday and beyond. So let's time it out with Futurecast radar. This is 5 tomorrow morning. So we put this into motion, and by 8 in the morning, it's trying to bring some rainfall down into lower elevations. I think most of this is probably going to stay confined to the Cascades up until later in the day when some of that could start to impact the valleys. It's being very rain happy for the basin. Not sure if that's going to pan out, but definitely after 5 p.m., this atmospheric river is starting to move further towards the east, and that's when rain chances are going to skyrocket for all of us. Now, by midnight, we're going to get some temporary clearing, but I think there's definitely more rainfall that's going to be on the way for Saturday and then into Sunday as well. So here are some of the rainfall totals we're expecting over the next 48 hours. Feeling very confident about these totals. Around an inch for the Cascades, only 0.2 inches for the Blues, 0.1 for the Blue Foothills. But beyond that, it's going to be much wetter, maybe another 2 to 2.5 inches of liquid water. That would be both rainfall and melted snowfall up in the Cascades, around an inch of that for the Blues. Even look at lower elevations. The Tri-Cities, Hermiston, 0.2 to 0.3 inches. Beneficial stuff across the map, but we'll watch for that localized flooding potential in the Cascades very closely. Of course, you can track everything yourself. Hourly wind gust forecasts and precip chances and that interactive radar feature, all on the Apple Valley News Now First Alert weather app. Okay, snow level is going to be dropping down into Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and the wee hours of the morning for Tuesday, which means we will have some snow for our mountain passes, but models are trending less with the snowfall totals. Only 3 to 5 inches we're expecting for now. Again, subject to change, but 3 to 5 inches for those major Cascade passes, only a couple inches for a Blue Mountain passes. So travel will be impacted, but will we see chain requirements? Will we see road closures? Probably not at this point, but we'll keep a close eye on it. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Dry today, a few showers possible tomorrow, then turning much wetter Friday night into Saturday. And Yakima, 50-50 rain chances during the day on Friday, then rain likely for the weekend. In Ellensburg, mostly cloudy Thursday, also a 50-50 rain chance Friday, and even better rain chances Saturday. For Hermiston, overcast with a shower possible tomorrow, but much wetter and windier for Saturday. And finally, for Walla Walla, dry and mild today and tomorrow, but rain almost a guarantee for Saturday, perhaps a few rumbles of thunder as well.